The Las Vegas market is not balanced. Now, I've been seeing some reports recently that suggest that because the supply is pretty flat and the demand is pretty flat and not much is changing, that it's kind of a, quote, balanced market, that there's not been a lot of fluctuation. But definitely not. There's no balance in this market. There's a lot of rocking and rolling, topsy and turvy going on. In fact, what we've really got is not a balanced market. Well, we got what I call a low transaction equilibrium market, not a balanced market. And so all that's happening is just because there's low number of business happening in the real estate side, that just has created an equilibrium, but certainly not a balanced market. There's not enough supply coming and there's not enough demand in the market. And so it looks like a different market than it is. In fact, sellers and buyers are looking at the market from completely two different realities. Sellers are protecting equity. They got a lot of equity, they got low payments, and they got mortgage rates that are several points in many cases below today's rates. And buyers are shopping according to a monthly payment, not just simply purchase price. And based on the interest rates, they're being priced out of that market on the monthly payment front. As of today, the fixed year mortgage rate, the 30-year fixed mortgage rate is 6.7%. And that is high compared to what it's been in some years past, especially recently. And rates continue to restrain affordability, and that doesn't look to change anytime soon. Our latest MarketWatch report shows this disconnect. In July, there were 7,189 available single-family homes without offers, with a median list price of $550,000. However, the 1,937 single-family homes that sold, they sold at a median price of $485,000. So 550 versus 485. Those figures aren't direct apples-to-apples comparison because the mix of active homes that are still available versus those that just sold are different homes. But it illustrates the distance between the seller expectations and where transactions are actually closing in today's market. What this means is this creates a market where the number of transactions falls, but prices don't really fall. And that's what we're feeling right now.